In 2020, we have already faced so many problems. First, economical downfall came. From the starting of year, there were a huge downfall, and all of us were worried about the economical sources and financial problems. Then Corona came, and from March and now it is June. For 3 months, people are suffering on every front. Now, the question comes that why astrologers do not predict such events previously, before it comes. The main problem for that is that even astrologers, they usually do not master the mundane astrology techniques. The reason because they focus on techniques which are more practical for individual birth chart. But after seeing such a disaster, I felt that it is important to include and to give attention to the mundane events for the well-being of the world. That is why the rishis, they did so much work. Like Atri Rishi, he did a great work on eclipses. And he learned that all signs and then taught to the disciples, and generation to generation we have received that knowledge. Now, being a disciple of Rishi lineage, it is our responsibility to use that knowledge to save the world. Whatever information I am going to share with all of you today about the eclipse coming on 21st June 2020, think of it as information by which you can protect yourself, your family, friends, and your neighbors. There is no need to feel scared because problem comes, so does the solution. If we get panic by seeing that the road is difficult, definitely we will have accident. But if we see that how dangerous the road is and we focus on the solution, that how I can cross it still, then definitely we will reach to our destination. Whatever astrological predictions any astrologer makes, that is only 70%. The 30% God has given free will to us to protect us from that fate, from the destiny. So be cautious about it and then listen to what I am going to share. On 21st June, there will be a solar eclipse, which will be the moon will cover sun from middle. Okay, so in the middle part there will be sun, there will be moon, and from sides you can see sun. Already on 5th June we have seen the lunar eclipse, moon eclipse. Again on 5th July we will see the moon eclipse, the lunar eclipse. Then on 14th, 15th December 2020 we will have a complete solar eclipse where the sun will be completely covered. So we see the nakshatra exchange between Rahu and Mars. Both are the planet shows disaster, accident and bad situations, which I will explain what they represent. Also we see Jupiter and Saturn coming together in Capricorn sign. Now when Jupiter and Saturn come together on mundane level, on the worldwide level, that is the period where humanity faces big troubles. So because all of these events are occurring together and already we are having Corona, so we can understand that this is a time to give more attention to all these events. Now, let's understand how the eclipses and planetary changes and the transits are going to affect us. First of all, get your notebook and pen and write down the dates I'm going to tell you. Write down 14th, 15th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29. June. These all dates in the month of June. And in the month of July, write down 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 6th, 9th, 11th, 22, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29 and 31. These dates in July. These 2 months are going to be very critical on a mundane level, on a worldwide level. So write down these dates, mark them in your calendar and make a promise to yourself that you will not travel anywhere out of your house on these dates, as well as if you have to travel, if you are really you are bound, you have a situation where you have to go out, then you will be really careful, because these are the dates when there will be seen earthquakes, heavy rains, even when there is no weather or weather of rain. Okay, no rainy season is there. Still, heavy rains will be seen there. Earthquakes will be seen there. Accidents and storms will be seen there. Cyclones or those water storms, thunderstorms, hailstorms, as well as disaster due to fire will be seen there. So these are the dates where we have to be really careful. Okay. As well as in certain areas, I will just tell you the areas also in the countries as well as specific areas in India where there will be these issues as well as terroristic activities also. So we have to be careful, especially in those areas. Now, what are the areas? Write them down in your notebook. Yeah, so there is Southeast India, okay. Southeast India, all the borders, okay, either it's the Indian-Nepal border or India-Pakistan border or borders with China we are sharing or Bangladesh, wherever you see borders, not India just, wherever in the world where you see the borders, because see, Mrigashira, the eclipse is happening in the Mrigashira Nakshatra in Gemini sign. Now Mrigashira Nakshatra is like adjoint between Taurus and Gemini sign. It is connecting both. It is like a bridge, like a border between both of them. So here, wherever you see conjunction of two areas, see if whole world is 360-degree, the Rashis, then the Rashis can be the division of the world, like the area, right? So wherever you see two states connecting, the borders of the states, the borders of countries, they will be in trouble. So we have to be cautious while if we are living around some border, near some border, that should be like 100 kilometers from the border. That should be specifically calculated from every border. Either state or nation, we have to be careful. Okay. Now, East Punjab and Odisha is a complete Odisha state. Coast of Andhra Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh, at every coast, we have to be really careful. Okay. Gujarat state, Southwest Rajasthan, that will be in trouble. First I'm talking about India, then we'll talk about worldwide. Punjab and Himachal states, especially the east of Punjab, as I said before. Gangotri, the area from where Ganga starts, the river starts, that will be in big trouble. Haryana state complete. In Delhi, there will be East and South Delhi will be in major alert. There should be. In Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad city will be in major trouble, and in Rajasthan, especially Kota, will be in trouble, as well as Bangladesh, Pakistan. Pakistan will face big trouble in this time. South East America, okay, that will be in trouble, and Europe. Europe will, in next 6 months, Europe will have another strike. Now, there won't be the corona attack again. So after the eclipse, one relief will be that corona will somehow reduce. Okay, so now what is happening? We'll just come to corona. First finish these disastrous points. So in the world, in specifically South Africa and all Arab states, okay, America, now America I will talk in a separate video because America will have a big deal out of that eclipse, and Europe also. We'll talk separately about the two countries. You can watch those videos. Just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because some important information is coming to you soon. Okay. Now here, let's talk about the corona issue. Will we have relief out of it or not? There will be this one situation. Eclipse means something is covering. Okay, something is hiding in the dark. Okay. Now what is going to hide in the dark? Mrigashira is the like the last nakshatra, one nakshatra before Ardra. Okay, it is like in the sign we calculate the 12th sign, which is the sign of death. The same way, the 27th nakshatra from one nakshatra shows death to that nakshatra. Now, eclipse is happening in Mrigashira nakshatra. After Mrigashira comes Ardra. Now, in simple words, what we have to conclude from here, Ardra represent terrorist activities, earthquakes, volcanoes, disasters of all sort of. Ardra basically represent tears. Okay, that is the main representation. So all sort of pain, big disasters. And Rahu was in Ardra when Rahu blessed us or cursed us with corona. Now after 21st June, within 2 months, within this before July, within July and August, you will see that this biggest scam of 21st century, coronavirus, will be exposed, as well as many political leaders, many celebrities, many media persons, actors, singers, sports person will be exposed. They will be exposed, specifically the female public figures. That will be a really terrible time for them. So they have to be careful. But one thing is quite sure, that corona will be exposed after this eclipse. There will be eclipse, means corona will be shut down, it will be covered. So we will have other troubles to deal about, but corona will be silent after that. Okay. So that way the eclipse will be good for us because it will be a relief from corona for a while. And there won't be another such tragedy like corona again in near future. But the next 6 months, these natural disasters will be there, as well as it will be a really horrible time for terrorists, underworld and gangsters. So they have to be really careful. Specifically the most terrorist nation on earth, America, has to be careful about it. America in ancient time was known as Patal, the hell. In the ancient time they used to call it hell. And even now it is the same. There is no major difference. The people, the way the psychology is, the way they are, next 6 months, America will be on its knees. There will be such a horrible situation for America that they will see, when you become a dictator in the world, either you are Hitler or America, it doesn't make a difference. If you are a dictator, the eclipse will show you your reality. This is what is going to happen now. This eclipse is the death of every dictator on earth. And specifically the biggest dictator of all, America. There will be a worse. Now this was on the worldwide level what will happen. But each individual is different. See, our mind and this whole universe is made up of the 10 energies. And whatever happens in the universe around us, that also affect the energy in the mind, and that affects our health, as well as the way we think, as well as the way we take decision in our life, and what happens to us in this materialistic world, in this Maya. For that, many people are worried about eclipse, how it is going to affect. See, Leo, Aries, and many people are not going to face such a major trouble there. They will have some small issues, but other things will be safe. Whereas some will face really big trouble there. So for each individual, it is really important that we do not have anxiety for no reason. We cautiously analyze the chart, specifically the Navamsha for every individual on the nakshatra level, because Navamsha works on the nakshatra level. So that is something we have to analyze. And when we analyze that, then we understand how the eclipse is going to affect that individual. For every person, it is impossible to make a fixed prediction for every person. When the earthquake comes in one state, one person may lose everything. Another person may not get affected at all. The house and property, vehicle, everything will remain same, secure. So we have to be really careful about that do not make any preconception in your mind about how the eclipse is going to affect you. There are website link and contact details are given. You can contact us and get your chart analyzed to see what is going to happen in the near future in your chart by the events which are happening on every aspect, either relation, career, or health aspect. Specifically, relation and health will be a major concern for people in this next 6 months.